this is Mommy Vet and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And for today's lesson, we will be discussing addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Before we start our lesson, these are the steps to remember. Number 1. Find the LCD, or known as the least common denominator. And for number 2, rewrite the equivalent fraction. And how are we going to do that? That is LCD, or the least common denominator, divided by the given denominator times the numerator. And for the third step, add or subtract the numerators. For the last step, don't forget to simplify the result. Let us have example number 1. So we have 1/3 plus 1/6. So first we have to get the multiples of 3 and 6. So for 3, the multiples are 3, 6, 9, and 12. For 6, the multiples are 6, 12, 18, and 24. Therefore, 6 is the LCD. So let us use that as our denominator. And let's get the equivalent fraction. 6 divided by 3, so that is 2. And 2 times 1, so the numerator is 2. And then plus, again 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 1, the numerator is 1. So they are now similar fractions. Then we can add. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and then just copy the denominator 6, and then simplify the result. So that would be 1/2. We just divide 3 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3 to get 1/2. For example number 2, we have 5/12 minus 3/8. Again, let's first have the multiples of 12 and 8. For 12, the multiples are 12, 24, 36, 48. For 8, we have 8, 16, 24, 32. So the same number for their multiples is 24. Therefore, the LCD is 24. So let us use that as our new denominator. And then let's divide. 24 divided by 12, that is 2 times 5 equals 10. Then minus 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 3, that is 9. Then let's subtract. They are already similar fractions now. 10 minus 9, that is 1, and then copy the denominator 24. Therefore, the answer is 1/24. And now let's have example number 3. By this time, we have 3 fractions. So we have 1/5 plus 1/6 minus 1/15. Again, let's have the multiples of 5, 6, and 15. For 5, the multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6, the multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. For 15, we have 15, 30, 45, 60, and 75. So the same numbers for these multiples is 30. So the LCD, or the least common denominator, is 30. Again, we will use that now as our new denominator. And then let us divide. 30 divided by 5, that is 6, times 1, the answer is 6. Plus 30 divided by 6, that is 5, times 1, 5. And then minus 30 divided by 15, that is 2, times 1, 2. Now let us solve. 6 plus 5, that is 11, minus 2. So the answer is 9 over 30. And again, we have to simplify the result. The GCF, or the greatest common factor, for 9 and 30 is 3. So let us divide 9 and 30 by 3. So the answer is 3 over 10. Now class, try to answer this activity. Perform the indicated operation. Again, pause the video while you are answering, and afterwards we will check your answers. Let us check your answers. For the solution of number 1, we have 5 over 6 plus 4 over 3. Again, let's have the multiples of 6 and 3. For 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24. For 3, we have 3, 6, 9, and 12. So the LCD is 6. Let us use that as our denominator. Now let us divide. 6 divided by 6, that is 1 times 5, 5. Then plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 4, that is 8. Then let us add. 5 plus 8, that is 13 over 6. Now, since the answer is improper fraction, we can change that into mixed number. Let us divide 6 divided by 13, that is 2, and the remainder is 1. Let us write that as our numerator and then copy the denominator 6. So your answer can also be 2 and 1 over 6. Let's have number 2. 3/4 minus 2/3. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. For 3, these are 3, 6, 9, 12. Let us find the LCD. The same number is 12. So that will be our LCD. Okay, now let us divide. 12 divided by 4, that is 3, times 3 equals 9. Minus 12 divided by 3, that is 4, times 2, 8. Let us subtract now. 9 minus 8, that is 1 over 12. Therefore, the answer is 1 over 12. Let us solve now number 3. We have 5 over 4 minus 4 over 8 plus 1 over 6. Let's first have the multiples of 4, 8, and 6. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. For 8, we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. For 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So let's find the LCD. Okay, so the LCD or the least common denominator is 24. Let us use that as our denominator. And then let us divide. That is 24 divided by 4. The answer is 6 times 5. That is 30. Minus 24 divided by 8. That is 3 times 4. 12. And then plus 24 divided by 6. That is 4 times 1. That is 4. Now let us solve. 30 minus 12. That is 18 plus 4, 22. So the answer is 22 over 24. And since we can simplify that, let us divide 22 and 24 by 2. So we have 11 over 12. That is our final answer. So that's the end of our lesson, class, and with that, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more updates. Again, this is Mommy Vet saying, do math and you will learn it. Goodbye.